Jaodogai mar ODM Raila Odinga Aida Odinga onyiso luoro ewi mbeko tole kedo gi lwenje ma kit chwech momedore e kaunti ma Siaya ka koro kwayo mondo oganda onywakne kendo kedo kod lwenje ma kamago. Aida wacho ni lwenje ma kit chwech kokos ng'iyo matut kuom thuolo malach to osemiyo lwenjego eko hinyo ngima oganda mathoth mokalo. Aida wacho ni achiel kuom gigo mosegayo kedo kod lwenje ma kit chwech en nikech thoth oganda ok ong'eyo yore ma chwech ochiwonegi ma ginyalo luwo e yore mag manyo ratichgi.
We support widows and orphans. We take them through knowing their rights because
for many years I've been in Mondo. I think this is one of the few times that I've seen a group or I've seen a meeting that addresses these sensitive issues of gender violence. For that, I want you to give yourself a pat on the back or clap for yourself because you've done a good job. This thing is always taken for granted, but it's a serious, serious issue in our midst. Think of it this way. It is not always the men who perpetuate the gender-based violence, but also women, also among their fellow women.
Many people here have spoken about gender-based violence, and this means also we have to pay attention to violence against boys and men, as our CEC for Education referenced. 18% of all reported cases in Kenya happen to be violence that is reported by young men. And mainly young men. The old men, they fear reporting because of stigma. So we are going to speak out on on everybody's behalf and say that we have to end this gender-based violence.
As much as we've made sterling progress as a county, I think there is still a lot of things that needs to be done within the particular county. And I think even my colleague Elizabeth from Malmi has really alluded to the fact of some of the gaps that we are still impeding the war against gender-based violence.